Hello everyone, it's Pokemon Ninja here. First of all, welcome to my channel. This will be my first video, and on today's video I will be opening a blister pack of XY Phantom Forces. In this blister pack it contains 3 boosters, a lovely Pikachu yellow coin and a Darkrai promo card. I picked this up from Tesco for £10 in the UK. Hopefully I will get some good pulls. Just opening it up now. So first of all is the Pikachu coin. It's actually quite a nice coin. Then we have the Darkrai promo with Hypnoblast and Deep Wind. That's actually not that bad. Then we have the booster packs. With the first booster pack, we have the Pokemon Trading Card Game Online code, which I will be giving out. Okay, first we have a Wobbuffet, a Golbat, a Leopard, a Purloin, a Sewaddle, a Frillish, the rare Dino, a Gligar, a Diggersby. We don't have a full art card, but it is a Venomoth. Okay, not that bad of a pull. Hopefully this one will be better. Okay, we have the online trading card. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Okay, first of all we have a Fletchinder, a AZ Trainer Supporter card, a Klefki, a Yanma, a Totodile, a Gulpin, a Spearow, a Pumpkinboo, and the rear is a Escavalier reverse holo, very nice, and the is a Diggersby. It's not as good as I hoped, but it's not too bad. For the third booster, we have the online trading card. 3 from the back. Okay, first we have a Handscope item card, a Target Whistle Team Flare Gear item card, we have a Trick Coin item card, we have a Swirlix, there is a Zubat, a Whismur, a Murkrow, a Fletchling, a nice reverse holo of a Gurgeist, and the last card is, it's a full art card, and it's a Mega Gengar EX. Now this is a very nice card. This will definitely go towards my collection. So with those pulls, it isn't actually that bad with the blister pack, especially with the last one being a full art card. Well, thanks for everyone for watching, and like, comment and subscribe. Any comments to do with this video is greatly appreciated. Thanks and bye.